Hello everyone. In last period we had done review 1 in English grammar. I hope all of you had written in the textbook, and now we are going to start chapter number 11, adjectives in English grammar. Now we will see what are adjectives. See, first of all, look at this picture. It is a daytime and we can see trees, boys, a cow, a kite in the picture. What we see are nouns, means whatever we are watching in this picture, ये पिक्चर में हमें जो दिख रहा है trees, boys, a cow, a kite, ये जो सारे वर्ड्स है वो नाउन है. that all of you know. आपको पता है कि उसे नाउन बोलते हैं. Now we will see the noun with describe. See, first sentence, that is we had learned that it is a daytime. Now daytime means which type of day? So it is a sunny day. How was the day? Sunny day. Then second sentence we will see there are two trees. We had seen that we can see trees, but now we are reading that there are two trees. Then next sentence, a tall boy is standing with a short boy. You can see a tall boy is there, two boys are there, one is tall and other is short. So the tall and the short, that describes the boy. Then next sentence, a fat cow is eating grass. See, you can see cow in the picture, but how is the cow? Cow कैसी है? A fat cow is eating grass. Then a blue kite is flying in the sky. A kite is there, but we can see that is blue colored kite. So that is why it is written a blue kite. So the blue word describes the kite. Now the words sunny, too, tall, short, fat and blue. These are the words that are describing words which tell us more about the nouns day, trees, boy, cow and kite. Means the word sunny, that describe us about the day. The word tall, that describes us about trees. The short and tall, that word describes the boy. How is the boy, tall or short? The cow, so the fat cow. So the word fat describes the cow. And the last word blue, that describes the kite. So these words are called adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about the noun. मतलब adjective एक ऐसे वर्ड है जो हमें नाउन के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं. जैसे कि हमने देखा tall tree, tall boy, short boy, two trees, sunny days. तो ये जो सारे वर्ड है जो हमें नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, इसीलिए उसे बोलते हैं डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. जो हमें नाउन के बारे में कुछ डिस्क्राइब करते हैं उसे बोलते हैं डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. मैं सिर्फ बॉय बोलूंगी तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, पर अगर मैं बोलूँगी शॉर्ट बॉय तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि हाँ पिक्चर में जो शॉर्ट बॉय है उसके बारे में बताते हैं. So these are the describing words. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि describing words किसे कहते हैं. And now adjectives can come either before or after a noun. मतलब अब हम ये देखना है हमें कि adjective हम कहाँ और कैसे लिख सकते हैं. तो adjective come either before a noun मतलब कि जो noun है उससे पहले भी adjective लिख सकते हैं या तो noun के बाद में भी adjective लिख सकते हैं. तो अभी हम उसके कुछ एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. पहले एडजेक्टिव और नाउन या तो बाद में एडजेक्टिव और नाउन. नाउ हियर वन एग्जांपल इज गिवन. द ग्रास इज ग्रीन. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस एडजेक्टिव है ग्रीन और ग्रास है वो नाउन है. तो उसमें क्या है कि हियर एडजेक्टिव कम्स आफ्टर नाउन. तो इसमें जो एडजेक्टिव है वो नाउन के बाद आता है. अब दूसरा एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. विनोद इज अ टॉल बॉय. तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि पहले एडजेक्टिव आता है और फिर नाउन आता है. जैसे कि विनोद इज अ टॉल बॉय. तो टॉल एडजेक्टिव है वो पहले लिखा है और बॉय है वो बाद में लिखा है. बॉय नाउन है. तो हियर एडजेक्टिव कम्स बिफोर नाउन. मतलब एडजेक्टिव हम नाउन के पहले भी लिख सकते हैं और बाद में भी लिख सकते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन वी हैव टू राइट द एडजेक्टिव एट प्रॉपर प्लेस. तो अब आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा कि एडजेक्टिव नाउन से पहले भी आ सकता है और नाउन के बाद में भी आ सकता है. हमें सिर्फ ये देखना है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंटेंस वो कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. ओके. Now we will see the exercises. Question number A. Underline the adjectives and circle the nouns they describe. Now here we have to see that what is noun and what is adjective. Whatever the noun is there we have to do circle, and whatever the adjectives are there, for adjective we have to do underline. In first one, Mr. Verma is an old man. So what is the noun? Mr. Verma is the noun and old man. So old is adjective. You have to underline adjective old and you have to circle on Mr. Verma. Okay. Then second sentence, the apples are sweet. So the apples are noun. So circle on apples. Second, sweet. Sweet is the adjective. So you have to underline sweet. Then next, you are wearing a beautiful dress. In this sentence, beautiful dress is the noun. So you have to circle on noun, and beautiful is an adjective. So you have to underline adjective. Like this, I have 2 pens. So pens are noun. So circle on pens, and 2 is an adjective. So you have to underline 2. Like this, you can do all these sentence. It is very easy and I hope all of you understood this. So rest of the sentence you will do by yourself. And of course, I will send the answer in 10 also. Okay. Then next, underline the adjective in the given passage. यहाँ पर जो पैराग्राफ है उसमें जो भी एडजेक्टिव है उसमें हमें अंडरलाइन करना है, सिर्फ एडजेक्टिव में अंडरलाइन करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है। रामू एंड शामू आर टू फ्रेंड्स. Between them, Ramu is very intelligent. So here you can see Ramu and Shamu are two friends. So two is an adjective. Same here, Ramu is very intelligent. Intelligent is adjective. Shamu is jealous of Ramu. So jealous. Jealous is also adjective. And then one day Shamu makes a wonderful plan to test Ramu. So how was the plan? Wonderful. That is why wonderful is adjective. Like this you read the whole paragraph and do the underline by yourself whatever the adjectives are there. Now on the next page, next question, match the following. Match the adjectives with suitable nouns. So here in A part adjectives are there and in B part nouns are there. So you have to join it, and but you have to write here the alphabet which is the correct answer. Okay, for example, bright. So what is bright? The answer is color. Bright color. Then tall, tree. Tall tree. Then starry night. Gray clouds. Like this you have to match this adjective to nouns and you have to write the alphabets in between like this. You don't worry, I will send the answer with very clear answers. Okay. Then afterwards, next question, fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the box. It is also very easy that you can do by yourself. There are dash days in a week, so 7. During the summer, we wear cotton clothes. The tiger has black strips on its body. Like this, you can write these blanks by yourself. And now the next exercise, fill in the blanks. The sun is dash, bright or dark. We cannot say the sun is dark, so we have to write bright. The cow has a dash tail, long or short. So we have to write here long. She helps others. She is a dash person. She is kind. If she is helping, then she is kind. She is not cruel. So we have to write here kind. Like this, you have to complete this all the blanks, and afterwards, last but not the least, question number F. Here crossword is given and down and across keys are there. Accordingly, you have to write the answer. For example, first one down key 2, hot. We have to write the opposite of hot. So what is the opposite of hot? The opposite of hot is cold. So we have to write down COLD. Then thin. What is the opposite of thin? We have to write fat. FAT. Then fifth one, heavy. Heavy, opposite of heavy, that is first letter is given, we have to write light. LIGHT. Like this you can write across also, means in sleeping line also you can write. So you write by yourself and I will send the answer for these exercises in 10 also. And so now I hope all of you understood about adjectives. That tells us something about noun. We can say describing words also to adjectives. So I hope all of you understood. You just make a practice of it. And thank you and have a nice day.